We are in Hollywood area, Melrose Avenue. Check out this driver app, GrubHub. It's like pizza delivery, so you get trip offer with already money displayed, how much you're gonna make. Add them up from where to where. Pretty good. So let's open it. GrubHub for drivers. Let me close this. Check this out. Lala's Argentinian Grill. I got it about 10 minutes ago. It's 3 blocks away ahead of us. Let's check this order. It has personal information of that person who orders, so I don't want to. Here they go. Here's the order, address, picture, navigation. There you go. Shows you how to go there. 3 blocks you can walk probably. And it shows order, 6 items. So it's small order, they should make it probably fast. And also they show you tip. So basic order is $4 plus whatever tip they offer you, I guess. So I'm gonna make about $18 or something. So the deliver by $4.44. Now it's $4.28. Order placed $4.14. So it's 14 minutes ago. And usually here is little text box popping up saying that order updated, ready for pickup. So I'll wait for 10 more minutes, because you come early, they're not ready, you're just like nuisance rolling around the restaurant. Okay, navigation, start. Let's see if we can find parking over there. Then I'll show you the bags and baseball cap with GrubHub that you get for free. And when I go to the restaurant inside, I always wear my hat and bring one bag. It's like insulated cooler bags with GH, so the restaurant knows what I'm doing here. And they ask what's the name of the customer, and I say name is Aisha, and they say that this is your bag, my seat belt, this is your bag, ready. That's all. Annoying sound. So it's next block on the left side. Right now no left turns because rush hour. Parking is problem. They give you this sign, GrubHub, red bill, red back. And of course it doesn't protect you from tickets. So maybe I can park on this meter. What's this? There is no meter. Parking spot with no meter. I can park for free, I guess. What else interesting here? when you get trip, you already know how much you're getting paid. Let me show you what's in my trunk. Here is 2 bags, and this bag is convertible. You can carry it as pizza bag or just regular bag. Also, GrubHub, baseball cap. Put it on my head. One bag is bigger, one is smaller. Take small bag. And I can go get that Lala Argentinian food. So I walked to the restaurant, it's already waiting for me, that food. They didn't update order status into ready. Just a moment. So I put the food into the bag. Now I can zip it up. And it's ready. I can put it on behind me. So it wouldn't flip. Now need to mark it. Got order, leaving. And now it will tell me to navigate. Just a moment. So it tells me to navigate 2 minutes to her place. Have to make left here, go a few blocks. Okay. So on one hand, you don't want to come too early to the restaurant if they're not ready. On the other hand, this restaurant didn't update the status to pick up, ready for pickup. And food was sitting there getting cold. And she is a good tipper. She needs her food warm. This is the restaurant we got the food from. Lala's. They were pretty quick. No complaint on my side. You don't want to get California Pizza Kitchen. Those are disorganized and slow. You don't want to get Indian food because they stink up your car. But this kind of tacos or some kind of Thai food, those are not bad. Or very good places are like donut shops, coffee shops, where they have a couple of pastries and some kind of drink or smoothie, which done fast keeps you rolling. Should I go around this? So I delivered already. Let me show, I have new trip offer. Check out this new trip offer. And it says $8. And where should I take them? It's 15-minute drive. I think I'll skip it. Have to reject and choose option too far. Alright. Now this trip I check delivered. And that's it, taking offers. Here's the schedule. And here they call them blocks. Right now 4:45. I'm in this block from 3 to 4:30. And if I skip, I don't accept something, it will kick me out and I will wait till next block. And those blocks are hard to find. Less you accept, kind of worse acceptance rate gives you less blocks. So they would give you work hours anymore. You're only gonna have really bad hours. But if you just reject everything, you'll not get fired. My acceptance rate, let's see how much my acceptance rate. Let me show my acceptance rate. 3%, attendance 69, block drop rate 4%. So I don't accept anything less than $10, and on good days less than $20. Attendance, they drop my blocks because I ignored the requests, and 4% I drop myself. So here is my acceptance if you are interested. They pay you once a week, maybe on Thursday. You cannot cash out your payment earlier. And this was your GrubHub. This is my head. GrubHub ideas, gig economy. Check out my setup for bird van setup. I'm gonna stick a few extra dual battery basically, so I shouldn't even go plug it. I could drop the van with those scooters being charged all day and drive my car instead while they're charging. So have a nice day.